Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV and Xiaomi 11T Pro. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV. In the beginning, make sure that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Then on your smartphone, swipe down notification bar, extend it and enter cast function. Agree. Go to settings, app permissions, location and allow all the time. Now go back and again enter screencast. Now select your TV and it's set. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.